Oh, I did. That's what I'm hoping to do with you is it's throw everything in and see where this goes. Table.
I felt that on the lower back.
All the way.
Ever.
That's right. The calming part. After we heard her, we make her happy. How many bones you have? 10?
Ow.
Oh. Hey.
Treatment number 2. Pretty excited when you walked in. I was tight and sore and definitely needed some things or all of it loosened up, and it went really well. I feel really great right now. I know I'll be a little tender tomorrow, but that's okay. That is how treatments work. So hang out with us. There will be more treatments to come as I take this journey and trying to figure out and becoming pain-free. It's a good day.